Здравствуйте, друзья! Hello, friends! It's your Russian teacher Alicia again. Today we'll practice 5 Russian sounds that English speakers often find tricky because your mouth and tongue need to move in new ways. But don't worry, I'll explain exactly where your tongue should go for each one. Ready? Let's start! Поехали! Rolled the engine sound. That famous Russian it's not like the English r. In Russian, it's rolled like in Spanish or Italian. For example, in the words like Россия, 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 ребенок, ребенок, ребенок. Where is your tongue? Tongue tip touches the alveolar ridge. That's the hard bump just behind your upper front teeth. The sides of your tongue touch the upper side teeth lightly. Air passes through and makes the tongue flap. So how to practice? Try to say like a little engine sound. This sound is the most complicated in Russian language. So to start learning it, just try to blow out the air from your lungs and just say just blow. In the beginning it will be very hard, but then the more you practice, the more you will understand how to do this. And this is how the kids learn to do this. They imagine they are riding a car and walking around with the car. They just say and all of a sudden they got it. When you've already understood how to make the sound, you can add other consonants, not only dr, but you can say maybe and afterwards you can add different kinds of vowels. For example, dra, dra, dru, dru. So just practice and you will do it. The next sound is l, soft l. Russian light l. In Russian we have a soft l sound. It's not a hard English l. Your tongue moves closer to the roof of your mouth, like in the words любовь, 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 лед, лед, лед. So where's your tongue at that moment? It touches just behind your upper front teeth. L. Middle of your tongue, little towards the roof of your mouth. Back of the tongue stays relaxed. To practice, you can try to say li, but slide your tongue up higher. Try whispering it to really feel the difference. L, li, любовь. How it feels? Softer, higher, l, than in English. L. So to practice, you can say English leaf. This l is exactly like Russian l, soft sound. Leaf. Then push your tongue higher for Russian l. Leaf. Любовь. Leaf. Li. L. Whisper l slowly and feel the difference. L. Лето. Любовь. Люба. The famous deep Russian sound This is a sound English really doesn't have. Not e, not e. It's deep in the throat, somewhere here, like сыр, быстро. So where is your tongue at that moment? Tongue is low and pulled back. The tip doesn't touch the teeth. Middle and back of your tongue are raised slightly toward the soft palate. How to practice it? Make an sound. Like in good, 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 but pull it even deeper. Good, 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 good. Smile slightly while saying it, and it helps position your mouth correctly. So good, sir. How it feels, kind of like saying plus e together, but further back. Practice tricks. Say e, then pull your tongue back slowly while saying Find the middle point and practice it slowly. Soft sign. In Russian we have a letter soft sign. It doesn't have its own sound, but it changes the letter before it, making it softer. For example, mать, mать. If we didn't have the soft sign in the end, it would be mat. But we add it and we have мать. День. No soft sign is день, день, but we have день. How to practice? Whisper т or н. Feel how your tongue is higher and softer than usual. Мать, день. The soft sign doesn't have a sound of its own, but it makes the consonants before it softer. So where is your tongue that time? So the tongue is in the same position as the consonant sound, feeling the tongue glide closer to the roof of your mouth at the end. You can compare, for example, t, 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 n, 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 m, m, mi, mi. So sh is the soft version of the sound sh. Sh will sound like sh, 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 sh. When I pronounce the sound sh, seems like I'm smiling. Yes? Sh, sh, sh. So it's not like sh in shoe. It will be shoe. It's longer and smoother. So where's your tongue? Close to, but not touching the alveolar ridge. Sides pressed lightly against the upper molars. Air flows slowly over the middle of the tongue. Like in the example words. She, еще, еще, еще. So it's not exactly sh or ch, it's both. Say sh and ch, ch. Slowly then blend them. And then try stretching it out. So let's make a mini practice. Say this out loud and let's review the sounds all together. Ра, ре, ро, ле, лед, любовь, сыр, быстро, soft sign, мать, день, еще, щи, Россия, любовь, сыр, мать, щи. Feel where your tongue is each time. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. That's all for today. And if you have any questions about Russian language, you can ask me in the comments. Subscribe and see you next time. До свидания. And don't forget to practice it every day, at least 5 minutes a day. But if you can, do it more. And you will learn how to pronounce this Russian hard consonants. До свидания.